Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix ic64.dll error on your Windows. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing ic64.dll error on your Windows PC, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on start menu, then type here virus and threat protection. You will find here virus and threat protection. Click on that. After opening the virus and threat protection, here you will find quick scan option, allow threats, protection history. You have to select scan option, then select Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan, then click on scan now, and your PC will restart and it will find if there is any virus and it will remove automatically. After completion of this process, then try this second step, that is click on search menu, then type here cmd, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you have to run sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to type another command step by step. Just copy this command or type this command and paste it and hit enter. You have to just right click on this command prompt, click on edit, then click on paste. This is the method to paste in the command prompt. After that, copy the second command. After completion of the second command, copy the third command. Like this you have to do one by one. After completion of all this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If trying this still you are facing the issue, then try the third method. Click on search menu, then type here restore. Here you will find create a restore point. Click on this, then click on system restore, click on next, click on show more restore points. Find the date when your PC was working fine before. Suppose on this date your PC was working fine, then you have to select this date, then click on next, then click on next, then click on finish, and your PC will restart. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix ic64.dll error on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.